I have this piece of decor from Dollar Tree, and as you can see, it's from the $5 section. It says book table decor. So what I'm going to do is glam this up to make it look like 3 separate books. Now this DIY will be perfect for people who like the look of glam books, but don't actually want to take real books and glam them up. So as you can see, this is not a real book, it's more of a box. So I'm going to first remove this. And of course, we'll hold on to this for another DIY. Here's the skew. So what I'll do now is take this outside and spray paint it silver. Once I do that, I'll come back and start decorating. Okay guys, I'm back. And here's my box after I spray painted it silver. This is where I removed the label. This will be the bottom if you want to lay it this way. But you can also decorate this side as well if you want them to stand up, okay? All right, so let's get started. Now we have lines here to separate the books, but we don't have any up here, and we don't have the cover of the book. So I'm going to use some of the Dollar Tree bling, and I know you guys haven't seen me use this in a while. We're going to use the Dollar Tree bling to create the book cover and to separate the books as well. So you just want to line it up and see where you need to cut. Okay, so let's just cut off one row. Okay, so now I have this. What I'm going to do now is take some hot glue and run it right along the top. This is what we have. So now I need to run these lines right down the front as well. Okay, so I have the strips for the front. So now I'll just go ahead and add these as well. Okay, so now we have our books. Now isn't that a little bit more convincing? So now what I want to do is just add some detail to the pages of the books. And the first thing I think I want to do is add some silver leaf, maybe to the one in the middle. Here I have some silver leaf adhesive, and I'm just going to brush some on. I'm just going to take this brush and dip it into the adhesive and brush it on. Okay, so now I'll allow that to set up. Okay guys, I'm back. The adhesive is sticky. So now I'm going to take my silver leaf and apply it on. And I put down some paper to catch the remnants from the silver leaf. Okay, just like that. The other pages I'm going to make into silver glitter pages. So now I'll take some silver, fine glitter, and some Mod Podge, pour it into the small cup, and mix it together. So now I'll take this paintbrush, go right into the mixture, and brush it on. I'm going to let this first layer dry, then come back and add the second layer. And I think I'll go ahead and do the bottom of it as well. Okay, I'll let this dry and then come back. I'm going to add more glitter to this one so it'll be a little bit more glittery. And one more coat on the back as well. So I'm going to let that dry. Then we'll come back and decorate the top of the book and the binder. Okay, so here's my pages. I'm going to come back in later and spray some hairspray on top of this glitter to set it. But meanwhile, I want to go ahead and get to decorating my box. For the top book, I'm going to use this bling. And I'm just going to measure and cut. So I'm going to take my hot glue gun and put the glue on those rectangles. This is the top of the book. So now I'm going to put the same design here on the binder. For the middle one, I'm going to use some mirror towel. And for the last one, I'm going to use this bling. Okay, and here's the back. Here's the front. Here's the top.